I just uploaded a few YouTube shorts and a long YouTube video. I waited half an hour and Uber's got me locked up in the queue. It's broken. Nobody around me has left. Everyone's standing here and the parking lot is filling up. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna leave. Let me show you what my game plan is now. We're gonna hide my face for a second. I am right here, right? I'm literally gonna go this way, go out, go this way, or I'm gonna go down this way, right? And I'm gonna end up in Palos Verdes over here, right? And on my way to Palos Verdes, I should be able to pick up somebody that maybe needs to come back to the airport. Maybe they need to go somewhere else. It's Friday morning, guys. It's prime time. I will keep you updated. Here we go. Now I am on my way out. Let me double check the audio. Okay, audio is good. I'm gonna get out of here. And now here's the plan. First, I'm gonna drive by the area where Uber lot is and literally where the passengers are supposed to be. So I'm visually gonna go look and I'm gonna go see what's going on. Are there passengers there? Are they taking taxi? Are they taking Waymo? Are they taking cruise? Like, what's going on? Like, visually I like to see, because logically it makes no sense. If I've been here 30 minutes waiting at LAX and I want to figure LAX out, right? Because this is the only airport this happens at. It doesn't happen at Long Beach. It doesn't happen at John Wayne Airport. It doesn't happen at Burbank Airport. It doesn't happen at Ontario Airport. It doesn't happen at San Diego Airport. It definitely does not happen at Palm Springs Airport because there's not enough people flying in, right? So I will turn the video back on in maybe a few seconds. For you, what's going to end up happening is you're going to just see me talking, right? And my face, instead of being here, it'll move somewhere else. And that's how you know that I paused and I unpaused my video. I'm at a different spot. Okay, now I am where I'm about to see the passengers. The first thing I noticed is two cars came out of LAX and turned right into the Uber lot, right? Where it's called basically LA exit. This is where passengers get picked up. So when somebody comes right from LAX airport and they bypass the lot that we're at, that means they got rematched and I didn't get rematched. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on, right? Taxi line, let's see what taxi line. Okay, taxi line is short. It's about halfway where it normally is. People, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 30, 30. Okay, there's about 50 to 75 people waiting. Okay, so this is what's going on. Uber is probably showing right now that there's no drivers. All the drivers are waiting, guys. All the drivers are waiting for passenger rides, right? So what doesn't make any sense here is, why is it... You know what? I'm just gonna sit here and make a little video on my backup camera. Okay, one guy is picking up a passenger, right? That just got rematched. So I'm literally gonna sit here and wait. There's a car that's going on my left that's picking somebody up. There's a car on my right that just came up to pick up. But there's more passengers here waiting, right? 1, 2, 3 Uber cars. Taxi line is full. Taxi's picking up everybody, right? People are coming off the buses. There's a 4th Uber car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only see 5 Uber cars picking up passengers. There's 50 to 75 passengers here. And I get passionate about this because it makes no sense. Right now, the algorithm is literally screwing over the drivers. Or they're giving the passenger rides to all the taxi people, right? Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. There's 26 taxi people, maybe 50 or 60 taxi people that are in line. But their line is full and they pop up, people are getting in. They pop up, their people are getting in. I think what's happening is, instead of people taking Uber, Uber's giving the rides to the taxi drivers, which I don't mind. Look, taxi drivers, God bless you. Have a beautiful day. Do what you got to do. But right now, it makes no sense. If there's 50 passengers waiting, there's 200 drivers waiting, why isn't the queue moving? And look, the queue for me is exactly the same. Now, I just had to make this video. I had to visually know what's going on. I'm going to pause this, get out of here, take my backup camera, and do some recordings real fast. Okay, I just left the Uber area. Now I'm a little bit calm, right? And if you look down here, it says not in queue, not in queue. Okay, so that's interesting because it's almost taken Uber 5 minutes to update. So I think this is what's happening. There's passengers waiting, they're getting frustrated. or Uber's giving rides that are supposed to be going to the drivers, to the taxi people, or Uber's just building a surge in order to get more money, right? So it's just making the passengers wait, building a surge. Then by the time the passengers order a ride, they're gonna pay more, and drivers gonna sit there and get frustrated. So it's almost like the Uber algorithm right now is screwing the passengers as well as it's screwing the drivers, right? Now the passengers don't have a choice. They don't know what's going on. They don't even care. They're not even looking at our videos, right? Most drivers are clueless, right? If I go back at the lot, they're all sitting there, they're all waiting exactly what I used to do, right? Now, what can we do about it? Make videos like this and post it, right? Let people know, like if you're at LAX at 8 o'clock in the morning and you're waiting, well, guess what? There's 200 drivers waiting in the lot that have no rides coming in. There's around, I think there's around 75 to 100 passengers waiting. I took video on my backup phone to prove it, but it's kind of hard. Like people start looking at you like, why are you making their video if they're just standing there, right? So I have to be discreet about it. But my point is very simple, my friends. These app companies are screwing the passengers. These app companies are screwing the drivers, and they're just milking it, right? And it sucks. Now you're gonna see me leave, and I'm probably gonna end this video. How long have I been talking for? 6 minutes? Yeah, I'll end this video pretty soon. But you're gonna see me leave, and as I'm leaving, I'm gonna pause and unpause and watch. Uber's gonna show me $5 here, $10 here, $5 here. And I'm gonna be like, no. I'm gonna cherry pick until I get, it's in the morning, 8 o'clock. I should be able to get a $20, $30 ride, no problem. And on my left-hand side, you can see the whole entrance to LAX is busy. It's like bumper to bumper, bumper to bumper. People can't even get into LAX right now. Makes no sense, my friends. Oh, I'm in the tunnel right now. All right, I'm gonna pause this, and then as soon as I start getting some passenger rides, I'll show you. And then hopefully I'll end this video by scoring at least a $20 ride, if not more. Right now, I'm gonna turn the app off and turn it back on in order to see if it'll help with what's going on, because I've left the airport area. I'm not in the queue. I should not even be in the queue, but it's still showing me, right? So we're gonna turn it off. Then another thing I do is I go here, and I will literally go here and free my memory up just to make sure like nothing is wrong and there's not, my RAM is taking up or whatever, you know what I mean? Like basically I want to free up my RAM and make sure that my cell phone has enough memory going on. Turn the app back on, and I will also double check over here and make sure all my preferences are on, because sometimes I have my preferences off. We'll turn the pet on too, just in case. See what happens. Now turn the app back on. Oh, great. Now I gotta take a selfie. Now I gotta pull over. Hang on one second. You know what? Who knows? Maybe this selfie thing was in the background, and because of that, I was not able to pick up anybody and move up in the queue. All right, I gotta be careful here, because if you miss this, then you have to wait 24 hours. Okay, good. We verified it. We're back on. Now, let me double check, see if anything changed. Look, more people are there. 156, 96, and UberX is full. Meaning, nobody has moved and the lot has just built up. That's exactly what's happening. I'm 100% sure that's exactly what's happening. Okay, we are going to do what with this video? Let's finish this video. We're gonna finish this video, upload it, and I'll start a fresh one. 9/11.